Hi everyone. Inductive effect. It is the most important phenomena in organic chemistry and it is helpful in explaining some aspects like relative strength of acids and bases, stability of carbocations, carbon free radicals and carbanions, and reactivity of alkyl halides. Now let us come to our topic, relative strength of acids. Relative strength of acids. The strength of acid mainly depends upon the tendency to release proton or to accept an electron when it is dissolved in water. Let us see the carboxylic acid. When it is dissolved in water, it releases proton and form the carboxylate anion. It is conjugate base. It is acid. Why it acts as conjugate base? Because the oxygen is electron rich in this carboxylate anion. So it is ready to release electrons. So it acts as base. Then the acidic strength is more for this carboxylic acid when compared to carboxylate anion. The acidic strength mainly depends upon the dissociation of OH bond. On dissociation, oxygen gets negative charge by attracting electrons from hydrogen and it releases proton. When positive inductive group is attached to carboxylic acid, it releases electrons to oxygen. So the electron density on oxygen increases. So it is unable to attract electron from hydrogen. Then it is difficult to dissociate this OH bond. Then the acidic strength decreases. If negative inductive group is attached to this carboxylic acid, this negative inductive group attracts electrons from oxygen. Then the electron density on oxygen will be decreases. So it also attracts electrons from hydrogen. Then it is easy to dissociate this bond. Then the acidic strength increases. In this way, positive inductive effect is indirectly proportional to acidic strength and negative inductive effect is directly proportional to acidic strength. Now let us see how to answer the questions on this topic. The first question. In this question, the number of carbon atoms increases in every carboxylic acid. We already know that the number of carbon atoms, if the number of carbon atoms increases, positive inductive effect also increases. If positive inductive effect increases, acidic strength decreases. So, in this carboxylic acid, number of carbon atoms are more. So, it shows more positive inductive effect. Then the acidic strength of this carboxylic acid is less. Then the acidic strength is decreasing in this order. And next, let us see another question. In this question, these are the isomeric carboxylic acids. It is primary carboxylic acid, it is secondary carboxylic acid, and it is the tertiary carboxylic acid. In tertiary carboxylic acid, positive inductive effect is more. It is the increasing order of positive inductive effect. Why this tertiary carboxylic acid has high positive inductive effect? Because these three methyl groups release electrons towards oxygen. So it shows more positive inductive effect when compared to secondary and primary carboxylic acids. So tertiary carboxylic acids show less acidic strength. Then the decreasing order of acidic strength is in this order. And next, in this question, high electronegative atoms, halogens, are attached to these carboxylic acids. These are the negative inductive groups. The decreasing order of negative inductive effect of these groups is, this is the decreasing order of negative inductive effect of these negative inductive groups. Negative inductive effect is directly proportional to acidic strength. So, acidic strength decreases in the same order. And next question. In this question, the number of chlorine atoms attached or decreases. These chlorine atoms are negative inductive groups. If any carboxylic acid having more number of negative inductive groups show high negative inductive effect. That means it has more acidic strength. Why? Because these chlorine atoms attracts electrons towards itself from oxygen. Then the oxygen will be electron deficient. So it will also attract electron from hydrogen. Then this bond will break easily. So this carboxylic acid shows more acidic strength when compared to other carboxylic acids. This is the decreasing order of acidic strength. And next question. In this question, the chlorine atom is nearly to carboxylic acid. So it shows high acidic strength. In these carboxylic acids, the distance from chlorine and carboxylic acid increases. We already know that if the distance from source increases, inductive effect decreases. So here chlorine is negative inductive group. If the distance from negative inductive group increases, negative inductive effect decreases. So acidic strength also decreases. Thank you.